it's Gina from WTI. If you're like me and you're a little bit picky when it comes to what products you use for cleaning, then I think you should check out this Abode line from doTerra. I really love the surface cleaning concentrate because I use it in many different areas of my home. But I think the most impressive thing about this cleaner is that it can remove tough stains. So I have this really beautiful white quilt on my bed, and my cat apparently had a little bit of a wound last night when she slept on the bed, and you can see that she got a little bit of blood on it. Now it's been a few hours and that blood has dried. So I applied this concentrate directly onto the quilt, let it sit for about a minute, and then I scrubbed it with just a wet microfiber cloth for about 30 to 45 seconds. And you can see how well this worked. It absolutely removed it from the white quilt, and there is no residual staining. It's amazing. I also use this to make a spray cleaner. I do 1 part of this concentrate to 9 parts of water. That's what's recommended by the manufacturer. And then I use it all over my home on all kinds of different surfaces. This has citrus, herb, wood, and floral oils in it, and it has a really pleasing, clean scent to it. I've really come to rely on this bottle of cleaner concentrate. I use it all over the home. It keeps things sparkling clean without an overpowering scent to it. And that's my point of view.